If you are thinking to upgrade your home into a smart home, this video is for you, because in this video we'll dive in and I'll tell you do's and don'ts, what to make out of your home, what to add on and what not to add on. All right, stay till the end where I can show you all the information that you need. Before we dive into this video, I want to introduce myself. My name is Alek Petrov. I'm your local real estate agent in Southwest Florida. So if you have any questions, shoot me a DM, text me, email me, whatever. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions you have. And if you have any questions about this video, and if you want more details about this electronic stuff, the smart home that we will talk about, Google, Alexa, blah, 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 shoot me a text message, email. I'll be more than happy to break it down, what I use personally in my house. And if you are one of those who are using smart devices in your home, comment below, let us know what devices do you like and what devices you don't like. All right, let's dive into this video. Okay, and number one, the do's. I'm gonna do do's and don'ts, right? And number one do is I'm gonna tell you, think about what do you need the most? What are you gonna use the most, right? Like a thermostat, right? Especially if you're going somewhere and you gotta come back. Those hot days, summers, we know it gets, especially last one, 2023 was summer, was super hot. And now this 2024 is super cold. Winter is super cold. So you wanna have a thermostat, the smart thermostat. I highly recommend that. It's super easy. Is to install it. Your AC guy can install it, or if you are savvy with the screwdriver, and just don't forget to turn the power off to HVAC when you do the change of thermostat. But it's one of those things. It's I would say do make a plan what things you need, because they are kind of they get expensive when you do those Alexa switches. Hopefully she doesn't start talking back to me, right? Or if you have Alexa right now in the house and you're watching this video, it'll probably be like, hey, I'm here, how can I help you, right? Those devices that you can connect your Alexa to it, or Google, whatever software that you guys use. But I want to say, do make a plan what is most important to you, right? For me, I have kids at home, so to me it's like the video cameras, like the devices that I can unlock the front door so they can get in easily and get out, right? Because I live more up in the country, so they can have this freedom to run around. So I want to be able to control it and see what's going on as well. It's a thermostat for me, and it's a secondary as much of more security is what's more important to me, where I can talk and talks back to me as well. So that's number one. Do make a plan what do you need most. All right, and number two is do choose a correct or the right devices, because not all the devices is the best devices. It could be the most expensive devices, but could be a candy, super expensive candy, but doesn't taste so good, right? So do get yourself a device that you have really good reviews, because there's so many different devices out there that's happening out there, it's sold out there. It's crazy. So you definitely want to get yourself a device that is very reliable, it's not gonna break, and you're not gonna have to use that warranty, because this technology it gets expensive. Obviously, as we know, the better brands are good, but there's still out there different brands that are not so expensive, but they are still good. So don't jump on those shiny objects like, whoa, squirrel, right? Don't jump on those highly pricey objects in like cameras. Like today, the 4K HD cameras out there now, you don't have to pay so much money for it. Those devices, lock devices that are smart off your phone, garage door openers as well. All those devices is so much cheaper now as compared is other name brands that you can be paying, but they're gonna do the same function for you as you would buy the other ones. I'm not talking about go buy yourself very, very cheap stuff that it breaks in a couple days, or you won't be able to figure out how to connect it, because they'll give you this whole IKEA menu how to connect your devices to it. It's super complicated. So anyway, if you're using devices at home, if you're watching this video, share what device do you use and what really helps you, kind of make your life easier. It's like I'm saying, guys, the smart devices for the house, not only it increases value at home, it's not crazy, but it does increase value in your home, but also it makes our our life so much easier. I mean, now they're talking about grills that are smart grills. I have a friend that has one, and he just after church just turns it on, drives it. He already got a meat sitting, at home, and just comes home. The grill's already up and running, and it's hot. Just puts the meat in it, put the thermostat into the meat, and just goes and creates it, makes his meal, and he just watches on the phone as the temperature rises of the meat. So it's just crazy out there. And guys, I'm telling you, I know it's a little bit kind of scary, the robots taking over, AI taking over, right? But it's all the devices are out there to make our life easier, and I highly recommend it to kind of upgrade things because it's so much easier. I know it's kind of getting us into a lazy part because I have like one car that opens up your tailgate up and down, and it's like takes away those motions. But hey, it's frees out of time. If you're using the time wisely, go working out, go for a walk, spend time with the family. It's a benefit, guys. It's not negative, it's a beneficial. Anyway, let's dive in and talk about don'ts. Okay, so you guys don't do these things. Okay, you guys ready? Come on, let's go. All right, and those two don'ts, I would say, kind of really mention that is don't buy those shiny objects. Don't buy these crazy gadgets, softwares out there that will cost you $100, $100,000 out of your pocket. Because, like I said, if you make the list, like if you create a plan, okay, I need this, I need that, and stick with it, right? So don't just go and start buying everything else. And it kind of rolls into number two don'ts is just don't clutter your house with all the technology, because then your Wi-Fi will stop working. I'm telling you, it's crazy how I had to take some devices off my Wi-Fi because you have an oven on the Wi-Fi, if you have cameras on the Wi-Fi, if you have a smart lock on a Wi-Fi, if you have a garage door opener on the Wi-Fi, if you got all your printers on the Wi-Fi, if you got your thermostat on the Wi-Fi, right? Lights on the Wi-Fi. So all the devices, it kind of eats up the database. So just don't buy a bunch of it, just buy whatever you need. All right, guys, and that's it, guys. I want to kind of go over a little bit real quick for you guys. There's so many different devices out there, but look at your home. Look what will make your life easier. If you have a wife that always, when you go to bed and your wife tells you, hey, can you go, I forgot turning down the AC to 73, 74, right? And like, oh, you have to get up. So guess what? Just pull the phone out, beep, 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 you switched it, and that's it. How easy that is. Or if you're laying in bed, like, oh, I gotta get up, turn the light off. You can say, Alexa, turn the light off, right? Or Alexa, turn the fireplace on. Alexa, turn this. Alexa, play jazz music. It can get romantic. You see where I'm going with this? You can get romantic with the devices as well. I mean, not that way, all right? I'm talking about you can set the mood in the house, dim the lights, right? Turn the candle lights on, whatever. You get the picture what I'm talking about here, right? Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully, I'll see some comments here below. What device do you use, and what do you think overall? What do you think about all the smart devices that we see today in houses, in our cars, right? It's just crazy, the cars, how they're coming out now. And there's so many different videos now going out about Tesla, a bunch of robots in the parking lot that because it's freezing and they can't charge the car. Anyway, I love diesels. Don't get me started. Anyway, comment below, let me know what devices that you like to use in your home and why. All right, guys, it's been Alek Petrov with you. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Go check out my other video, and again, comment below, subscribe to my channel if you find some information helpful, because we talk about Southwest Florida, we talk about pros and cons, we talk about upgrades and downgrades and so different things. And I'm happy to see you guys here, and God bless and stay blessed.